In the heart of every South African home lies the desire for cleanliness and pride in one's surroundings. Whether it's the dusty driveways of the Karoo or the moss-covered patios of the garden route, maintaining a pristine outdoor space is both a challenge and a joy. Enter the petrol pressure washer, a game-changer in the realm of outdoor cleaning. Imagine harnessing the power to rejuvenate your home's exterior with ease. Our petrol pressure washers are not just tools, they're your partners in transforming spaces. Designed with portability in mind, these machines allow you to move freely, reaching every nook and cranny without the constraints of cords or limited power sources. Why choose a petrol pressure washer? The answer lies in its unmatched power and flexibility. Unlike electric models, petrol washers deliver higher pressure levels, making them ideal for tackling stubborn grime, algae, and dirt. Whether you're preparing your home for a special occasion or conducting regular maintenance, these washers ensure your spaces reflect the care you invest in them. Moreover, for those who take pride in DIY projects, a petrol pressure washer is an indispensable asset. From cleaning vehicles to prepping surfaces for painting, the applications are endless. It's not just about cleaning, it's about enhancing the longevity and appearance of your property. Safety and efficiency are at the forefront of our designs. With user-friendly interfaces and robust construction, our pressure washers are built to withstand the demands of South African terrains and climates. They're not just machines, they're investments in your home's future. In a world where first impressions matter, ensure your home stands out. Let the sparkle of clean surfaces speak volumes about your attention to detail and commitment to excellence. With our petrol pressure washers, you're not just cleaning, you're elevating your living experience. Visit forhome.co.za to see the range of pressure washers on offer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos.
Forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.